put this away, you idiots will understand.
I'm not the damsel in distress. I'm not your girlfriend or the frightened princess. I'm not a little bird who needs your help to fly. Nope. I'm the bad guy. All these former villains that you see, each of them with shaking knees has knelt before me. So I'm not your teammate or your partner in crime. What am I, boys?
He's the bad guy.
Oh, it's magic to watch a planet shrivel up and die. Oh, it's thrilling to be a villain. I destroy their homes and then I watch them cry.
'Cause I'm the bad guy. Oh, ain't it fantastic? I see something, I blast it. And let me tell you why.
I've always